Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure OnePlus Ace 3 for senior person. And to do this we'll need to click on the settings, then on top go for the search and enter simple mode. Here it is, we can click on that and then enter our simple mode. And this is actually all we have to do. As you can see, icons as well as the text becomes much bigger. Also, when we try to go to the settings and they are a bit limited, that means you can't actually break anything on your phone. You can also customize this simple mode right here if you need any more settings. In case you want to exit it, click on exit simple mode inside the settings at the bottom and your phone should return to normal. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.